we need to make sure that we're catering around the needs of these small business owners and providing our services as and when they need access to it, which is not 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. It's out of hours, it's on weekends, it's whenever that business owner has the time.
What prompted this shift? Is it customers demanding a shift to complete digitization? Is it the market? Is it competitors? Is it the fact that we share the largest border with a country that is at the forefront of tech innovation? What are some of your thoughts on that?
I think it's a little bit of all of those things. You touched on sharing the border with a country that has a lot of tech innovation. Traditionally, Canadian banks have been very innovative entities. But in the past 5-10 years, we've seen them sort of falling behind a little bit on their offering, especially in the small business space. And in the small business community, it's such a vital part of the Canadian economy. And there are billions of dollars every year that are left on the table where businesses do not get the funding that they could potentially receive purely because the banks are not set up that way and they're just not catering to that segment of the economy. So this is something that we've kind of really taken to heart because as small business experts and as a business who really focuses on this area, we really recognize the opportunities that this sector of the industry provides, not only to us as a lender, but also what we can do as a lender to help grow a really vital part of the Canadian economy. So there is a gap in between sort of demand and what is being supplied to small Canadian businesses at this stage. And so, that's why our offering is such an exciting one, and why the ease and the modernity of what we're offering is kind of trying to match up to demand that there is in the market right now. The other thing that you touched on was whether it was to do with the actual demand from specific businesses. And that's also very much the case. We need to remember who our customer is. At the end of the day, it's small business owners who will typically be spending their days running their business. That is their absolute area of expertise. And that's what they should be focusing on. And typically, these small business owners will be leaving their accounting and their finances to the end of the day and maybe on weekends if they don't operate on weekends. So it's kind of out of hours that they're focusing on the financing aspect of their business. And then during the day, during the working day, that's when they're actually doing the important thing, which is the running of the business. So as a result of that, we need to make sure that we're catering around the needs of these small business owners and providing our services as and when they need access to it, which is not 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. It's out of hours, it's on weekends, it's whenever that business owner has the time to actually look at their finances and put in an application. So as a result, the whole digitizing and automation of our application process was very much in response to the fact that we realized that a lot of these business owners don't want to wait and use up their working hours putting in an application that might take hours to put through or days to put through, speaking with an advisor at a traditional bank or collecting the paperwork that they require. No, we want them to be able to sign up whenever they want, whether it's 3 a.m. or 4 p.m, sign up and in a matter of minutes find out exactly how much they have access to. So it's really about the ease and simplicity of the application process.